You guys, this smells like cake. Yo, I'm gonna die right now, and this smells like cake. Oh my god. So for today's video, I want to go ahead and try out some clean skin makeup and skincare from Ilia Beauty. They were so nice to send me a lot of products. This is not sponsored, but this was just so nice when I opened it up. I was like, yeah. I haven't tried their products in a minute, so this is just a lot of stuff to play with and get into. In here, they even have their base face milk that I've been seeing everyone use. So I'm like, okay, this one I'm super excited for. So we have a lot of cool stuff in here. So let's just get into it because I am ready to try some new products out. So the first one I do want to get into is the Ilia Base Face Milk. This is supposed to be like a milk product that you use before your makeup. Of course, you guys know Rhode has their own milk product as well. So everybody's just coming out with their own version, which I'm really loving so far. So this is what it looks like. It is just so pretty and just so sleek, you guys. Like, this is stunning. Okay, beautiful. So we're going to take this, and what we're going to do is just apply some on my hand. I know you can use like a cotton pad or something, but I like to get all the product on my face and just pat it into the skin. And this feels super lightweight on the skin, very hydrating. Y'all can see my skin just coming to life. Okay, she was a little bit dead because we have been traveling so much, but this just looks so good, and it makes my skin look super healthy as well. So next up, we do have the Ilia Skin Rewind Complexion Stick, which is like their foundation plus concealer in one. This is supposed to be weightless, firming, smoothing, all of the good stuff that we're looking for. Now I do have two shades. I do have the shade 33 and Calm, I believe is what it's called right there, and then also 1N in Hinokai, if I'm saying that correctly. Now Hinokai is looking a little bit scary. Okay, I think she's gonna be a little bit too light, but I don't know if they meant for me to use that as a concealer. We shall see. So this is Palm. We're gonna start off with this one first, and this looks very promising. Oh, they got it right. I think they got this one right. So let's go ahead and do a swatch or two. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is really good. I didn't know if they would get it right just based off pictures and stuff like that. I don't know what they used. This looks really good. No, like, I'm genuinely shocked because number one, I don't use thick foundations, but also it's hard sometimes for me to find, you know, a foundation that will fit my skin tone. And this one, I feel like they got it right the first time. Okay. So I'm actually going to use a brush just because I feel like that's what you use with stick foundations. So let's go ahead and do that. And plus, I think it will give me more coverage on the skin. But this is beautiful, you guys. And the shade matches just everything. Ooh. And in case you're wondering, this gives me like a matte feel, if that makes sense. It doesn't feel dewy or anything like that. It feels like a straight up matte product, which I like because I have oily skin. But if you do have dry skin, keep that in mind. Just prep a little bit more and you should be good. But yeah, it's a little bit light, y'all, but this is close enough. Like, I can work with this. So I went ahead and applied some cream bronzer off camera just because I don't have any products that they sent me that will resemble, you know, a bronzer on my skin. But I do have the Hinokai Complexion Stick, which I feel like is going to be a concealer shade on me, but the outer color right here is scaring the girl a little bit. Okay, but let's see what we do have. So this is, yeah, it's a little bit, not even a little bit, it's very light. And let me swatch it for you. Yeah, this is not gonna be a shade I can use to, you know, apply for my under eyes, but I think this would be great, you know, if you have like a foundation or something that you need to lighten up, but I cannot use this by itself. So let me go ahead and apply some concealer off camera. So funny enough, I had to do a little bit more than concealer, obviously, okay, because the rest of the items in here are like blush, eyeliner, mascara, all of that. So I just went ahead and just finished the base because we're pretty much done with that. Okay, now let's move on to the eyes real quick before I go into the blush and all of that, because y'all know I love me some blush. So we do have the Ilia Clean Line Gel Liner and also their Limitless Lash Mascara. So I do want to go with the gel liner first, but we're gonna take this and just apply it to the outer corner. Ooh, just a little bit. And what I like, because when I see these type of liners, I get a little bit nervous because I feel like it's super messy 9 times out of 10, but this one's a little bit easier to control because y'all see how sharp that liner is. Okay, we just want a little bit on the outer corner. And when I say a little bit, y'all, I mean a little bit because I don't want to do too much. So doing the same thing to the other side. Just go ahead and wing it out and then connect it. And let me zoom you guys in just a little bit so y'all can see what that looks like. It's just a little bit of a wing, okay? I don't like to do too much. I'm just gonna keep y'all here for a second because we're gonna go into their Limitless Lash Mascara in the shade After Midnight, okay? I like the name. Now they do have the slick packaging again. And we're gonna take this for the bottom part of my eyes. Now, in case you're wondering with the wand is super different, y'all. Like, I hope y'all can see that. It's very different, so we're just gonna test this out on the bottom part of my lashes. And typically I don't apply mascara to the bottom. I know this would be great for my top lashes, but this does a great job at separating and also, you know, adding a little bit of pigment too. But this is great. Yeah, this is perfect. And I have a lot of bottom lashes. Wow, y'all see that? Very, very easy to work with. And where are my girlies that just apply mascara every day? I just love me my DIY lashes. In case you guys don't know, with my brand, I do sell DIY lashes, and that's all I wear 24/7. So that is what I have on today. Super girly, super cute. I know the girls are doing like the no mascara, no lashes look lately, and I'm just like, okay, I want to get into it, but we'll see over time. But for now, I just love how this looks. I think it's very, very nice. So the last couple of items we do have is the Ilia Color Haze Multi-Use Pigment. So this is for the cheek and lips in case you want to do that. But then they also do have their Ilia Multi-Stick in the shade of Fine Romance. Sounds so cute. And I'm sure you can use this for your lips and your cheeks as well. So let's see what the shade looks like first. This is more like a berry color. I love me a berry, you guys. I really, really do. So let me swatch this first because I want to see if I want to use this on my cheeks. That's really, really pretty. Okay, that's really pretty. All right, so let's keep this one to the side. Now they do have their multi-use pigment in the shade Temptation. Let's see what this one is given. Okay, and this is the packaging, in case you're wondering. So let's see with this one. Ooh, I love products that have like this type of product right here, or this type of topper right here. This is just so sleek. I love it. Okay, so this one, let's see what color. Ooh, yeah, this is like your bubblegum pink type of shade, which I'm kind of feeling for the cheeks. I don't know yet what I want to do. So we have that in the shade, what's this called again? Temptation. All right, the last one we do have is the Sing Multi-Use Pigments. So we have Temptation. Let's see what this one is given. This one looks like a berry color, which I really, really like. So we're gonna take this and see what this one looks like swatched. Ooh, ooh, yeah. It's more like a deeper. Oh, you guys, this smells like cake. Yo, I'm gonna die right now, and this smells like cake. Oh my god, this needs to be like a perfume or something. This smells so good. Okay, anyways, let me focus. So this is the 3 shades we have right now. I don't know which one I want on my cheeks. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling this one, Color Haze Multi-Use Pigment. I don't know if I should use that one. I don't know. So just because I want to make sure that every product gets to shine a little bit, I'm gonna use the Ilia Fine Romance. Okay, we're gonna take the stick one and apply it on the cheeks. And typically, let me be honest with y'all, I don't like to apply products like this directly on the face. I feel like sometimes it just messes your makeup up. So I'm just gonna take a brush like so and just tap it into the skin. I just prefer it this way than applying it directly on the face. Super pretty, has a nice little glow to it, which I really like because I don't really wear highlighter these days, y'all. I'm very simple. So I'm just gonna take this, kind of go over it like this, and then apply it to the other side. So this one is definitely going in my everyday pile. I think it's stunning. I think it's so stunning. So for the lips, I'm going to use the shade Sing just because it's a berry color and I do want it to match the blush, of course. So we're gonna take this and just apply it. Oh yeah, this is pigmented. And I just love the applicator, y'all. It is so cooling on the lips. I really like that. So all you need is a little bit. This is super pigmented. And it doesn't feel like a gloss. It feels like a lipstick, an actual a lipstick in my opinion. So keep that in mind. So this is a completed face, you guys. What do y'all think? I think everything turned out really good in my opinion. In case you guys want to know like my favorite products, I will say of course it is the Ilia Base Face Milk. I just love skincare lately. It's my favorite thing. So this is like skincare and makeup of course, because it is prepping your skin for makeup. But there's no product in here that I was like, I don't know about. I think they're all really, really good in their opinion. If you love a mascara, I really did enjoy this mascara. I feel like it really elongated my lashes. I will say the multi-stick, this one here, you do have to warm it up a bit because when I was applying it on my face, it wasn't coming off properly. But when I applied this on the brush, it worked a little bit better. So I really do like that. It's been a minute since we've done like a one brand makeup tutorial. Okay, so yeah, definitely go ahead and check it out. And if you guys do have these products, let me know your thoughts as well. But with that being said, we are back with the long form videos. We're back. Okay, I'm so excited to share with you guys all that's to come. There's so many exciting things happening behind the scenes that I cannot wait to share. So yeah, I love you guys so much and I'll see y'all in my next video.